Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Salman Ijaz and I'm one of the previous Future Learning Center student. I've cleared my OET last year and the FLC asked me to record the success stories. Sorry, my apologies, I was a bit late. I was a bit busy, so I've seen one of the success stories from FLC today, so I remember that I need to record my success story as well. So I've started from zero and I've joined FLC last year, and it took me 3 to 4 months to fully prepare myself to book the OET and clear that thing. And all the instructors were really cooperative in FLC. Special thanks to Sir Charlie, Miss Aruj, and Sir Cass. They were really, really very cooperative and they gave me individual attention if I was lacking in one of the modules. So hats off to them. And as I mentioned earlier, right now I'm in UK, so maybe this thing will inspire you more. Best of luck, and I will recommend you to join FLC. Thank you.